Welcome to this quick guide where you'll learn how to add clients to a project in Basecamp. Whether you're new to Basecamp or just need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently to ensure you're set up for success. First, we're going to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Basecamp's website. Simply type in basecamp.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with all your ongoing projects displayed. Next, you'll want to select the specific project to which you'd like to add clients. From your dashboard, locate the project name and click on it. This will take you to the project's main page, where you can manage various aspects of the project. At the top left of this project page, you'll notice an option that says Invite People. Click on this button to proceed. It's here where you can add new team members or clients to the project. This feature is essential for collaborating with clients directly within Basecamp, allowing them to view and participate in the project as needed. After you click Invite People, a new menu will appear. Here, you'll see an option specifically for clients. Click on this to move forward. Basecamp makes a distinction between regular team members and clients, which can be beneficial if you want clients to have limited access compared to your internal team. Once you've selected clients, it's important to enable the Work with Clients feature. This setting is crucial because it allows you to control the interaction level and access your clients will have within the Basecamp project. Enabling this feature ensures that the client settings are activated for this project. If you're managing multiple projects, make sure to double-check this setting for each one, as it doesn't carry over automatically. Now, it's time to click on Add Clients. This is where you will input the client's information. Typically, you'll need their email address to send them an invitation. This step is straightforward but very important, as the clients will use the email invitation to access the project details. Once you've entered the necessary information, confirm your entries to ensure everything is accurate. And that's it! You've successfully added a client to your Basecamp project. Remember, having clients on Basecamp can significantly enhance communication by keeping all project-related discussions and updates in one place. This eliminates the back and forth of emails and keeps everyone aligned on the project goals. To summarize, start by visiting Basecamp's website and logging into your account. Select your project, click Invite People, choose Clients, enable Work with Clients, and finally, add your clients by entering their email addresses. This process will streamline your client interactions and help you manage projects more effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more guides or reach out for support. Thanks for watching and happy project managing with Basecamp.